Most people don't notice when the world works. They don't see the precision behind the power grid or the strategy that keeps a facility running at peak performance. But we see it. Whether you have decades of experience in the field or you are just starting your journey, you are the reason things work. But even in an industry this critical, we often work in silos. Knowledge gets trapped behind plant gates. Expertise stays locked in a single role. When we work alone, we solve the same problems in isolation. We reinvent the wheel and lose time on hurdles that someone somewhere else has already cleared. It is time to break those silos. Welcome to the Member Community Platform, the digital hub for the entire asset management and reliability ecosystem. This is where the newcomer learns from the veteran, and where the seasoned professional finds a fresh perspective to solve a complex industrial bottleneck. No noise, no corporate distractions, just a space designed by AMP to bridge the gap between data and results. Share real-world practices, access exclusive resources, find the colleagues you need to help you grow. This is about scaling our collective intelligence to make our industries safer and more reliable. You are already part of the world's most critical industry. Now join the community designed to support your journey. Register now. It's free and your seat at the table is waiting. See you inside.